Damien and I used to play this on set at So Random. I would take a swig of water, and he would do this character. What was the character called?
They'll see.
Okay, you'll see the character.
One, please. Women, huh? I tell you what, buddy. I've been talking with my girlfriend for a day and a half. Turns out she's a sculpture I made out of butter and chives. I wanted to add Swiss chard to mimic the lady business, you know.
Off to a great start. All right. Bet Damien is gonna eventually. He's gonna single me out.
Aww.
He always resorts to his character where he's like, hey, my grandma made of him, whatever.
I forgot about that, thank you.
He does this one character that always makes me laugh.
Hello, kids. My name's Rumpelstiltskin, and if you can guess my name... I did it again! Plan B! Here's that Plan B you ordered, miss. No babies for you! Plan C! There's an Ariana Grande joke here somewhere! Cause her tattoo is small grill. 7 rings for all of me bitches.
Hi there, Shane. My name is Potato Butt, and have you ever tried to shoot an entire purple zucchini out of your butt like a cannon? Because I have, and it doesn't work. I call it Zucchini Butt. That's my superhero name. Are you, by chance, my daughter? You know what happened the other day is I sat down on the floor and my got split down the middle, and I've never felt more powerful. Because it was like chewing gum that just got poof right in the middle. Describe yours. Is it like chewing gum, a brain? Oh no.
I choked. I got lucky. Damien didn't go into Randall.
I'm saving him. I'm giving him a little bit of a break, and then when you least expect Randall,
I'll be there. One, please. Women, huh? I tell you what, buddy. I've been trying to divorce my wife for a year and a half. Turns out she's a birdhouse I filled with pudding and French fries. I added some arugula to mimic the bat-bats. Thank you so much all for coming tonight for our wedding reception. I can get through this. When I first met Karen O'Houlihan Garcia, she introduced me to 2 men. The man who I was, and the man who I wanted. She may not have bones. She may have an extra fist where her bajinjo needs to be. She may have a lot of hate in her dark little heart. She may not even be real. She may even be a sculpture I made out of butter and chives. That's right, buddy. I'm talking about how difficult it is to talk to women. You ever meet a woman named Karen O'Houlihan Garcia, and then she turns out to be a sculpture you made out of butter and chives?
Yo, Damien, what?
Hey, while they're doing their stuff, you can look over here for the miracle of childbirth.
Ah! Ah! Ew!
Hey, I'm gonna get you. Oh, I'm gonna get you.
Ah! Ah!
Look at my son coming out of my wife. He is really big. He doesn't know if he's gonna come out, but he's hurting and she's cutting between.
Where's Anthony?
Where
is he?
All I want is Anthony, and all I want is Anthony. All I want is Anthony. I think I just became a country music fan. I don't like it. I love my friends and I love my hat. I love my dog and I love my cat. But still I have one question, that's where's Anthony? Where? 'Cause all I want is Anthony and all I want is Anthony and all I want is Anthony and all I want is Anthony.
For real though, thank you for my job.
Yeah! Welcome to the Academy of Weird Sounds. Oh, that's nice. That's a good one. Didn't work. It's okay. Next sound. Oh. And for the finale. Yeah, that's a good one. Oh no! That's what that
Saw him running.
Okay! I need complete silence! Welcome back to the Weird Academy of Weird Sounds. Oh. You hear that, Gary? Stretch. Twist. Wow, this whoopee cushion sucks.
I know, right?
Welcome to the Laboratory of Weird Sounds. We're here to test out every weird sound and see which ones are weird. Pretty weird. Whoa! Saving that one for later. Is this thing on? Nah. Check this one out. Is this one weird? It tickles. No sound though, not weird. Ah! What was I thinking? It's the same sound. We got one breakthrough, boys! Time to celebrate! Time!
We, the Council of the Academy of Weird Sounds, hereby banish Courtney Miller for the use of illegal sounds pertaining to but not limited to that sound it make when you run your fork across the surface of mac and cheese. That sound it make when you stick a snorkel up an hole. That sound it make when you slap a dinghy with an banana. That sound it make when you bump your balls into a pasta vortex. Only council members can read.
Okay, welcome to the Academy of Weird Sounds. Got some fresh stuff today. Nope. Nope. But I guess what? We got something, a brand new product that we're gonna test out today. Let's bring it out here. Okay, Allison. It's time to welcome you to orientation. Orientation of the Academy of Weird Sounds. Have you heard of it? That wasn't that weird of a sound, but watch when you hit it against another economical surface. Oh, that was real good. Check this one out. Huh? This is a weird sound. You got ooh, wow! Welcome to orientation for the Weird Sound Academy. There are 3 foundation sounds that you must learn in order to attend Weird Sound Academy. First sound. You know this guy, am I right? He go like this. Sound number 2 for the Academy of Weird Sounds. Ow! And the third sound, I guess we don't need, but here it is.
Oh, hey, Greg.
All right, it's been a long time since we've been back at the Academy of Weird Sounds. We're behind on the curriculum.
Step 1, Chapter 3. Not that weird, we discovered. Chapter 2. You can hear colors when you're on LSD. Can you hear this?
Did that work?
Yeah.
I looked away, and I thought you were screaming so hard that it worked, and that's what made me laugh.
Wow. Greetings, Headmaster, esteemed members of the board. Today, for my thesis statement on the Academy of Weird Sounds, presenting for my doctorate, I give you chicken hitting piano at high velocity. I have my teacher to thank for this. I hope that I don't disappoint you. Prepare yourself. We should for sure stay further away from Olivia. There we go. That's exactly what I wanted. Brace yourselves, because it's about to get crazy. 3, 2, 1.
What a good sound!
Thank you very much.
Sound!
Thank you very much. Thus proving that when you miss, the sound is not normal. I was expecting. It wasn't that at all.
Meanwhile, in the headquarters of the Academy of Weird Sounds. Doc, I don't know what the hell this is. There's something. Oh, you're the doc. Sorry, I had no one actually to talk to. We have to figure this out. We need to take it sound by sound before we release this to the world. It's the Academy of Weird Sounds' responsibility. Sound A. Sound B. Sound C. Sound D.
Oh.
Sound E.
What are we gonna do?
I don't know. What if the sound gets in the wrong hands of an evil person? What are we gonna do?
I have no idea. I'm just
Jesus.
an intern.
I know, me too. Obviously, I'm more responsible. I care more about the Academy of Weird Sounds.
You all thought you had this locked away, huh? Well, no, sirree. I'm gonna get you all for what you did to me.
Please, we're just two interns.
This is my thing. I know what's coming next. Can I just please hold my nose first?
Please.
Hold your nose, okay?
I'm still a virgin. I don't want to die.
You know the virgins die. Oh wait, no, they don't die no more. No, I don't care.
I'll never have intercourse with my mother again.
I'm going with power.
No, the horny god has not let me die. I'm back.
No, not the horny god.
I'm meant to have sex in my life. I cannot die without it.
Thank you so much for coming to Singles Night at the Academy of Weird Sounds. Make sure to get yourself comfortable and ready for the events. And I hope you find someone you love tonight, or however that may be.
Better make some weird sounds to attract some mates.
What was that noise?
My mating call.
Oh.
Thank you for coming to Academy of Weird Sounds Cafe. By the way, peach anyone? Well, thanks for coming around. You know the weirdest sounds bring to make the whole world go round. My name is And the winner of the Championships Academy of Weird Sounds sound contest is Ronnie Babani.
Wow. Thank you guys. Thank you so much for this $30,000 and pure gold trophy. You know, it took me a long time to get here, a lot of weird sounds. So I figured I'd just repeat the sound that got me to where I am today. Everyone, my award-winning sound. Oh.
You got me, it was tiny.
Sorry, it's so stupid.
Yeah, Ronnie!
Marvelous. Yes. Welcome. Hello. I am Chief Guy. I am in charge. Hello. We do explorations and we find new wonderful sounds for the Academy of Weird Sounds. Now, there was a UFO sighting and they sent us a signal, and we have now logged quite a few new interesting sounds that we've never heard yet before. We're going to experience them for the first time now. Here we go. Ready? Let's start and begin. Oh! And pretty good. Pretty good.
Alright, today on the auditions for the Academy of Weird Sounds is Greg, the Smosh Sound Mixer. Really cool to be here. It's like in front of all those people that I listen to all the time. Well, today I have a piece for you that is very intricate, and I think you will very much approve. I'll just get to it because I don't know what I'm doing. Alright, if I can get my phone out, I don't need this. Shut up! Shut. You're my favorite pizza. You're my favorite. This is what's in my head all the
Oh my God, when he threw the microphone.
It broke.
It did break. Look at me. I think illegally you have to look at me. Hi, I'd like to apply for a loan.
God damn it.
Okay, legally you can look at me now. Hey, where are we at on that loan? It's been a while. Okay.
Oh
Many of you guys to sign this. Sign it. Sign it. Sign it. Yeah, that's fine. Thank you. Look at me. Look at me. Legally, you have to look at me. Goth Mario over here. You signed it. I signed the contract.
I like how it was a contract.
You walked in.
I know. I got really nervous. I was like, I'm not ready to see Ian's butt. My husband really needs that loan. Please. Let's do it.
It was the delicate unraveling of the robe. No.
You gonna give that loan?
We really need that loan.
I don't have it.
It's so up.
I know. They're bunnies.
Almost there. Hold on, I haven't even been funny yet. Don't spit out his butt. She didn't.
He looks so little next to you.
Give him a little hug. I'll only be using this.
Oh no, the skeleton's back.
Good evening. Soft moonlight. Dancers on the ground. Let's hug it out.
Oh no.
Hello, I'd like to order a piano. Oh. There's a piano. I'm so sorry, there's a piano right here.
So stupid.
Let's hug it out.
Alright. Thanks, Lil Bone Bro.
I don't know if this one's gonna be funny enough.
It's so sick. Yo!
Oh.
It's because his little mouth is open.
Let's hug it out.
Try not to laugh or else you'll scare the bones right out of me. Scared the bones right out of me.
Let's hug it out.
Yes, thank you. You know, I thought for once you were gonna switch up the format from the skeleton. I was like, he couldn't have put the skeleton in that doll, and yet you did.
I did.
So, good on you, sir.
Thank you. Who you calling a banana? I'm clearly a skeleton. Let's hug it out. Oh, Keith.
Our baby's all grown up!
He lost his body, though. So sweet. So pure.
So before you guys came in today, we received a call from someone who's apparently been trying to get in contact with you guys for a bit. He left a voicemail, and I thought this would be the best place to just play it for all of you.
Hey Keith, Zach, Eugene, Ned, this is Marty, the fifth try guy. Yeah, I've been trying to get a hold of you guys lately, but keep going to voicemail. You know, I'm trying to understand why you guys won't call me back. I feel a little, left out, like I've been exiled. I feel like maybe it's because I try too hard. I'd love to, 1 second. Yeah, can I get a Doritos Locos Taco?
Yeah!
see it.
Tonight on Dateline, this crosswalk woman isn't just any crosswalk woman. She has a secret. She's actually a worm.
Tonight on Dateline, this crosswalk woman isn't just any crosswalk woman. She has a secret. She is actually a worm. Little do you know, she also has a sister, who's also a cross guard. Her sister has a secret. She's actually a blue jay. Tonight on Dateline, this woman is a crosswalk guard, but she's also a crosswalk guard. But that's not all. She's also a crosswalk guard. And you'll get your titties in a knot when you find out that secretly, you guessed it, she's a worm. Tonight on 60 Minutes, this crosswalk woman isn't just any crosswalk woman, she has a secret. She is actually a worm. But little do you know, she also has a sister who is also a crosswalk guard. A hungry crossing guard. Little does she know, her sister, the other crossing guard, wants to eat her. That's time!
Hey, goes out.
Oh, you're all here.
I'm terrified.
Welcome to Employee Reviews. Damien.
Oh my god.
It's come to my attention that you've been pretty late to a few meetings. You always blame it on a fanny pack malfunction. Weirder when we found out that you call your adult diapers fanny packs.
That's a roast.
Shane.
No,
Shane, you're doing great. It's just everyone feels really uncomfortable when you call Ian Boss Daddy. Except for Ian.
Oh God.
I know. We went through this last year. Underwear goes under what you wear. Courtney, just as a reminder, your dad doesn't work here. Stop CCing him on email. There are other ways to make him proud.
We can skip me. We can just skip me.
We gotta see this one.
We don't know.
How big is that file?
No. You're doing great. You're my boss. You're doing great. We keep taking the sign off your office. You keep putting it back on, but when you call your office the executive restroom, it's very confusing. Kimmy, hi. Thank you for being so cool. Hi. We do really appreciate everything you bring to the cast, especially your height. Just really want stop, and you could stop high-fiving all the exit signs and yelling "Booyah!" I know. They're just really expensive. They're expensive to replace.
God.
Jackie, you're perfect. Sarah, thanks for inviting me to do your exit interview here in front of people and with friends. It's very, very Sarah of you. So I also understand you won't be speaking during this. Challenging. What I'd like you to do, we're trying to prep for your replacement. If you could help us understand like what takes up a chunk of your day. Use your hands, your fingers. Let me know on a scale from 1 to 5 what takes up most of your day. Okay, so 1 is the least, right? 5 is the most. Use the fingers in between. So let's begin. Emails. 1 to 5. Okay. Okay. Pitch meetings, all the pitch meetings that you run. That makes sense. Attempting winged eyeliner at your desk during video calls. Half of one. I would have thought it was a lot more interesting. Tearing up stuffed animals to make clothes out of. That was a big one. Interpreting what Claudio says and trying to convince us that it was funny. I mean, I felt like it was a big part of my day, but solid five. Solid five. Attempting to reclaim missed areas of your childhood by dressing up like Rainbow Bright. Sarah, let's stay on. Okay. All right. We can talk after this. I do think that this is something worthy of a therapist, or maybe, not just talking to me or Matt about. I know this takes up a lot of my time too, trying to guess how many wars Garrett has lived through. It's a tricky one.
So many unsuspecting victims.
Working with the editors to digitally insert Ian into every video. Hiring tailors to make sure that Shane's sleeves fit too tight. It's a big part of the budget, so I know it takes a lot of time. Five. That's a 5? Okay. And then lastly, and I don't know if this will be helpful with the incoming director of Unscripted, but pitching your cats as cast members. The truth is, only one of them is funny. We could never afford Tartufo, that's why we keep Damien around. How much time? 1 to 5?
We'll just do right in the middle.
Okay. Great, perfect. We'll use this information in the future to find a replacement. The truth is, Sarah, I don't know how we'll ever replace you. Thank you so much for giving yourself to Smosh, for teaching me how to put on magnetic lashes, for being my partner in so many meetings. I will miss you so much.
I will miss you.
Oh wait, I gotta redo it. No.
It's fine. I wasn't gonna do yours, Ian, because you're my boss and you'll be giving my review, I think, in like a couple weeks, so it's really awkward. But if we could just take this moment, then we don't have to record this. Don't ask Brittany to drink her breast milk outside. This is a weird order. Noah, you were on Price is Right this year. That's so exciting. Did you win anything? Are you still gonna work here? Shane, so talented, so great this year, so talented. We got to work on like lunch orders, getting them in on time, not asking Chipotle to put protein powder in everything. Courtney, so nice. It's crazy how nice you are, except when you're not, and I'm afraid of you. Pass on Olivia and Keith has cancer, and that's all I have in his 5.
I'm an offensive stereotype! How's it going? I'm a little on kangaroos and shrimps on the barbie! Hi, Crocodile Dundee's my favourite movie! I broke the boomerang. I'm sorry. Olivia, what makes you laugh? Like children or something? Food Network jokes? Anthony Bourdain? I don't know. Chopped? You ever watch Chopped? Is it a good show? Oh, well, it's dumb. There's a joke.
Oi!